నమస్కారం గౌరవనీయ హెచ్ఆర్డి అండ్ ఐటీ మంత్రి గారు నర్యాల లోకేష్ గారు, ఐటీ సెక్రటరీ శ్రీ భాస్కర్ కటంనేని, శ్రీ ఎన్ యువరాజ్, శ్రీ దినేష్ కే, సభలో ఉన్న మీడియాకి అందరికీ నా నమస్కారాలు. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ మీ ముందు మీ మధ్య ఉండడం నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. బికాస్ నేను ఆంధ్ర నుంచే, నేను ఇక్కడి నుంచి వైజాగ్ నుంచి. నా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు. ఇట్స్ గ్రేట్ టు బీ హియర్. Today is a really special day as we introduce Manamitra. It's a digital public services chatbot, as the Minister Garu just articulated, on WhatsApp, and it's been created in partnership with the government of Andhra Pradesh. I want to talk a little bit about our mission and why this is so important, as we come together to build this. At Meta, our mission has always been to build the future of human connection and to enable the technology that makes it all possible. And what we see is that mission is really reflected in a beautiful way and very distinctively in WhatsApp. It's the way India communicates. I think all of you probably wake up to good morning messages on WhatsApp from somebody in your family if you're on WhatsApp. And it's no secret that, India, WhatsApp is a key part of almost every Indian's life. And that's why it's such a proud moment for us to unveil Manamantri today, which brings together Manamitra today, which brings together the power of WhatsApp in the hands of every citizen of Andhra Pradesh. Manamitra, which really means our friend, is an innovative first of its kind. We've not, seen this extent, of services being offered on a chatbot on WhatsApp. And this really has the potential to transform the way people of Andhra Pradesh are going to engage with public services. Like the Minister Garu mentioned, it's a swath of services. It's everything from, say, revenue services to booking temples. And it's really been a gargantuan effort by all the teams concerned to pull all of this together. And it comes back to giving citizen services on platforms that they're most comfortable with, right? The ease and simplicity of WhatsApp makes it a really preferred choice for people to get things done. From, like I said, talking to friends and family, to now we allow booking of bus tickets, like we launched DTC some time ago, to booking your train tickets. We're on many metros across the country, to accessing public services and paying your bills. This is the first time we brought all of this together. So that's why we're excited to collaborate with the government of Andhra Pradesh. There's almost 161 citizen-centric services during just the phase 1. It's directly in people's fingertips, in a language they prefer, and on a platform that they use throughout the day. The chatbot also offers people the option to pay for their bookings and other services through a payment mode of their choice, or be it UPI, credit or debit, and Ravi will explain a little bit more, directly within WhatsApp experience. So it's truly seamless, and that's what we've tried to do, to make it as seamless as possible. In October of last year, and I have to say I've never seen this kind of speed of execution. When we signed the MOU with the government of Andhra Pradesh, we said that we would do our best to try and develop the solution as fast as we can. And in just 3 months, we're here in front of you with all of these services. And the speed of execution and the innovative approach that this solution brings is really a testament, and I want to call out all the teams that have worked on this, of Meta definitely, but most importantly of the AP government, because it's multiple departments that have come together, and they've worked, I'm not joking, like pretty much throughout holidays, through weekends, all of that, to make this come to life in record time. So I've been really impressed, not just by the speed of execution, but the ambition and the scale with which this service has come to life. Our goal is to really make this platform a one-stop shop for all public service needs, and we're excited about the potential for growth and innovation and the learnings we'll have along the way. Like the Minister Garu said, and as IT Secretary Bhaskar Garu said, this is learning. Like, we've just launched it. I'm sure there's lots to improve, and we'll learn and we'll grow together. But for now, we're really proud to be part of this journey. We look forward to working closely with the government of Andhra Pradesh to ensure the continued success of Manamitra on WhatsApp, and we're committed to continuing this momentum to create a more digitally, to bring on even more services. I think our ambition really is, how do we create a more digitally inclusive Andhra Pradesh, where citizens have access to essential services right within the chat. So with that, I just wanted to say a huge thank you again. I'm really pleased to be here, and thank you for your support.